This is a journey to self-discovery and re-empowerment. And you're going to learn a path of transforming your life in very practical, tangible ways. So it's not a feel-good philosophy. It's not a motivational talk, although you may feel good at the end of it. But it really is a step-by-step method to be peaceful and to manifest the changes you want to make in your life. And it all starts with you. Now, one of the truths I deeply believe is everything in life, everything is energy. And within each and every one of us is the energy that makes the sun rise daily and helps to make plants grow. Everything is alive. Everything is connected. And that energy is within you as well. And it's waiting for you to recognize it, know it, and maybe even develop a relationship with it. When you do that, it's like the universe starts to rise up and meet you in unimaginable ways. And that's truly the heart of manifesting. You think it and you cause it. You intend it and you follow through on it.